Come on, man. Y'all niggas know who outside for real. YBM, RottenRixh Entertainment. NILLZ, what it do, niggas? It's that time. Let's get it.
Let's get it. R.I.P. Bird. R.I.P. Milk Cream, Tiny Black.
Let me tell you a story about Bird. How he was shooting dice, man, and flipping birds. R.I.P. Bird, R.I.P. Milk Cream, R.I.P. Tiny. They was the wildest niggas on the team. They was the wildest niggas on the team. John Money on the team, Little Ock on the team, Pop on the team, Beast on the scene, making niggas believe. Pennies on my feet, I'm still counting this breeze. Country had the team till he started losing that vision. And the hood found out it was his own man's. He was killing, half was the rooster. You niggas is big chickens. Tikey was the shooter. Fabs just to get money, nigga. I ain't a dummy, nigga. Bruno the boss. Shouts out to Uncle Kane, of course. My sister was a queen pin at the age of 10. I got all ops, homie. I ain't got no friends. I got all ops, homie. I ain't got no friends. Manny Black told me when we was 9, we was in it to win. It's 551. Shout out to my men's. Night might leave a nigga for dead. We heard, we cried when OG Mac was talking to the feds. 25 years in, I'm still a high old 20, dressed in all red. Mush Chauncey pushed the hood back, 97. Been locked up since 2003, it's good he back. Shouts out to Miss Tinker, she let the Ruger clap. Millions took over best style, like what's good with that? MTO, this straight facts. I see you, Frank. Buddha was the man knocking out cops. Damn, I miss my fam. It was some extra crips in the hood. Before we turned this town to what I was into tales in the hood. Streets turn boys into grown men. Either you blood like King Plenty or folk, ain't no joking. Bozilla, still beating up grown men. Man, what I carry is the bird, and I'm so focused. I'm still bustin' like a tip on the third. Love you, Mimi. Bozilla still beating up grown men. Man, what I carry is the bird, and I'm so focused. This NILLZ low, I'm always solid, never fucking nervous. I put it to your head, nigga, like a Taurus. I'm the bull, the only bull.
I got the horns. I'll blow the trumpet, nigga. I'm the angel of death. R.I.P. Bird.